In our last episode, we hiked the Mount Britain Trail in the Yunque Rainforest.
There's our car keys.
And locked our keys in the car. We are Joel and Michelle. We sold everything for a lifetime of adventure, and then the world shut down. Join us as we navigate nomadic life and traveling as the world opens back up.
I don't know if you can see in the reflection, but there's our car keys. They were locked in our car. And so we're kind of stuck right now in Yunque. We locked our keys in our car. Lucky us. So Joel's on the phone trying to figure out if we can get somebody out here, and we are in Yunque National Park. So yeah, we'll see how this turns out.
Yes, yeah, Banos Grande, Puerto Rico. Okay, thanks. Okay, so good news. It's about 30 to 45 minutes.
Always have your keys in your pocket.
Well, they were in my hand. I set them down for just a second.
I know, it's not your fault.
I got up. I didn't mean to close the door. It was locked. I'm over the anger part. I was so angry at myself. I mean, I know it's probably
It wasn't your fault, really.
Yeah.
It just happened.
The suckiest part is they're right here. There they are, right there. And my bag with all of the rest of my camera equipment is sitting in the back seat too, so it makes it a little annoying.
Oh.
So that's why I was a little concerned, because I didn't want to leave the car unattended for very long or overnight if we had to. But yeah, so it sounds like they should be sending me a text here in a minute for dispatch, and I'll be able to track it that way and figure out how far out. But they're telling me maybe 30 or 45 minutes. And of course I forgot to get I didn't get the travel, what is it, the roadside assistance with the rental. And I have roadside assistance through my credit card. Apparently it doesn't work in Puerto Rico. It's only continental US. So I found that out today too. Anyway, so we're going to just do something while we're here. We're actually at a historic area called the Banos Grande. And I'm not exactly sure what it is, but we will find out, and we will take a look at it while we wait for the car to get here.
Swimming pool between 1936 and 1968 in the La Mina Recreation Area. Represents one of the first examples in Puerto Rico nature-based recreation. So people like to swim in here. Kind of fun.
And today, no swimming. Not anymore. This is pretty cool if you ask me. This would be a great little place to do swimming back in the day. Those plants are humongous. They are humongous. That leaf is like half the size of my body. Guessing this must have been the old bathhouse or something. Yeah.
It is.
Pretty cool. I mean, it's fantastic views. My word, it's so beautiful. Oh yeah, here we go. Look how big these leaves are. Wow, they're humongous. Okay, looks like we are almost there. 15, maybe 16 more minutes. As it turns out, we've got the entire parking lot to ourselves as we wait for our tow truck slash locksmith to get here and unlock our car. Hey, but we were at least able to go check out the Banos Grande, which is a cool, like, bath. Like, I guess it was one of the original swimming pools that they built. I guess Franklin Roosevelt built it there.
The New Deal.
As part of the New Deal, years and years ago. And they don't use it anymore, so it's currently there's no swimming allowed. It's off limits, but it's really pretty though. Like, I would totally see how it would be a really nice place to go swimming. So yeah, it's so lush here. It's amazing. But yeah, so we are at the Gran Banyos next to the Banyos, waiting for our tow truck. You hear that? That's the little frogs that are here. I can't remember what they're called. Kukoi? Something like that. I'm probably butchering that, but that's the sound they make. Just chilling by the banyo.
Chilling by the bathroom. Well, it keeps looking like it's going to rain. So
I can feel some sprinkles
I
on me.
think when we get rained on, our camera's rained on.
Yeah. Yeah, so taking shelter.
I'm cold.
She's ridiculous. It's not cold out here. It's really nice.
Yeah. You're not cold at all? No?
No. No normal person is cold in over 70-degree weather. Just this one.
You made it up here just in time.
Oh my gosh. So, yes, we are in the car. My man did this in the rain and in perfect time because it is pouring out now. So, yeah, that was pretty cool. So, yeah, I mean, we already paid for it online, but I gave him an extra $20, man, because, like, it was, like, starting to rain and everything, and anyway, just in the nick of time. So we are excited, and we are tired.
To be in the car.
Very, very excited, very tired, and so now I think we're going to head
home.
Head home. Back to the condo for now.
Good thing we booked 2 days here.
Yeah, so we did. We booked 2 days. So we got tomorrow morning as well, and we did that because we weren't sure what the weather was going to be like. And it's only a $2 reservation, so
yeah.
And obviously it's all the reservation fees go to the park to support it. So I don't have any problem.
Yeah. Yeah,
Getting-
$2 is super cheap.
Yeah, and it's an extra. And if we didn't use it, it was an easy way to help support the park even more. So that is that. We are going to try to get on out of here and
Get some food.
get some food, figure some stuff out.
I'm not sure about food. I'm super hungry.
Yeah, I don't know. All right, well, let's see what happens here. Man, I'm just. Oh, I'm excited.
Oh, we figured it out. It's part of travel, babe.
Yep, it is part of travel.
Things happen. I can't believe we have this place all to ourselves. Everybody is left.
Yeah, the one problem right now is that the tower's locked up. It's closed, so you can't get up there. Maybe they're just using shorter hours, like restricted hours, for the tower itself. So maybe we missed it. Alright, so we thought we'd end this video with the fact that we were crazy tired. Had a long day. And anyway, so we're making some nice food though. So we came back, just throwing some odds and ends together, and hopefully we'll have a nice meal and just relax. So
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, and we hope that you guys got a chance to learn something and see something about El Yunque. And we'll actually be back there tomorrow as well to finish up all that we were trying to do today. So you can stay tuned for that as well. Thanks. Happy wandering. Join us in our next video where we continue to explore the El Yunque Rainforest. And we take a wrong turn on a hike.